Oh my God! Finally, I get to meet. Alam mo, di ba, hindi siya hindi bago sa atin ang Senator Benner kasi has always been an ally of the film industry. Yan, Tita Boots Anson Rodrigo. Okay. Hi sir, the entertainment press are here. Bihira niyo tayo nakakamingle, but later on, ayan, sama natin siya. And of course, I'd like to acknowledge the chairman of MMD as well. Chairman Antes, ayan, nag-meet na ni Senator si Attorney Keith Ryan Monteverde, and of course, Ma'am Rosel Monteverde. Nico joined the table. And Phoebe Walker ng Viva Entertainment. Hi sir, good morning, good afternoon. Okay.
Ayan, picture.
Welcome to Paco Direct. I think we've waited long enough, like exciting, I'd like to call it our esteemed senatorial Senator Benner Abalos on presidential table now to be joined by Ms. Rosel and Attorney Keith.
Good morning.
Sir, please. Ma'am Rosel, Attorney Keith, please.
Ma'am Rosel. Tita Boots Rosel. Chairman Artist.
Ayun.
Again, thank you all for coming to this very rare get-together na hosted by the Regal Entertainment bosses para sa ating someone who deserves our support. Sa Monday na po, hindi ko na, without much ado, the noble guy is running as a maging public servant. And kailangan po natin, hihingin natin ang suporta ninyo. Ayan po, photo op tayo. Closer please. From left to right, Attorney Keith Ryan Monteverde, Senatorial Candidate Benner Abalos, Mobile Fund Chairwoman Boots Anson Rodrigo, and Regal Entertainment's CEO and President Rosel Monteverde.
Sir, dito sir. Okay pa.
Center.
Likod po, likod naman po. Center. Okay, I think we have enough photos na. Can we all settle down so we can start now with our chikahan and discussion? Sige, we can have ang aga dito ng ating mga TV crew, so please bigyan natin sila ng chance na makakuha ng mga footage nila and signers. Ayan. Sige. Again, thank you ha sa pagsunta. You may now take your seat please as we hear from each and every one of us. Sige. Okay na? Here for her welcome message, starting off with ang tagapagmana, isa sa tagapagmana, Attorney Keith, to welcome the good Senator.
Yeah, well, first of all, thank you for coming this morning. As you guys have known, my grandmother always supported candidates that not only mean but actually do good for the community. And so we're here again today to continue that legacy, supporting hopefully soon to be Senator Abalos. I haven't been in the Philippines for a long time now, but in my time here I've gotten to know him, what he stands for, and I know he will, if given the opportunity, will continue to do great things for our country.
Thank you. That explains the accent. He's a lawyer in the Bay Area for the longest time. Please. You're on.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon sa inyo. At nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo at nandito kayo kasama namin. Sa tagal ng panahon, nakatira rin ako sa Amerika, 20 years. Bumalik ako sa Pilipinas kasi through the advice of mother to come back. My mother has been really a very good, sobra siyang loyal sa kanyang bansa. You know, she poured out her heart to really, you know, help the movie industry. At the same time, mahal na mahal niya yung kanyang bansa, kaya nandito kami every time na may election, gano'n, tumutulong talaga kami sa mga deserving candidates. And ito ako ngayon, umaga, hindi lang ako nagre-represent sa akin, pati sa buong bansa, na kailangan talaga natin na mag-isip ng mabuti kung sinong bobotohin. Ang taong nasa puso na tumulong sa buong bansa, kasi I'm sure lahat tayo, marami na rin tikon sa mga nangyayari nito. So, hinihikayat namin kayo na tulungan through your power as media na talagang i-endorse nyo ang taong kailangan natin mamuno sa Senado. At ito, si Benner Abalos. At matagal na po siyang naninilbi noon dati pa sa MMDA at sa DILG. At alam natin na kayang-kaya niyang gawin para sa buong bansa. No, para sa atin, para dito sa ngayon, talagang botohin natin si Benner Abalos for the Senate. Salamat.
Thank you, Mr. And of course, representing, pwede ba yun? Pero siya din mismo rin from industry, pero he is representing Quantum Films ang mom niya. Nico Antonio. Nico, who is also an actor na napakasipag. At syempre, representing Viva Entertainment, PB Walker. At ang mahal natin. Everybody knows you. MMDA Chairman, Romando Artes. Ayan. Thank you all for the support. At syempre si Dita Boots naman, acknowledge ko na. Okay, nagmamadali siya pero who else? Sino? Saan? Oh my God! Ito na naman ako. Of course, from Idea First, Percy Intalan. Thank you for coming. I didn't know you nagpumasok. Okay, nagmamadali siya pero kailangan ko ibigay sa kanya microphone for the beautiful questions. From you, please. Also a part of the Producers Guild din kasi si Sir London eh. Message lang po sa mga nandito kay future Senator Abalos.
Sana supportahan natin si Senator Abalos.
Of course!
Yeah, yun lang. I mean, siyempre, nakita naman natin mga nagawa niya. Yung mga accomplishments niya. And I think it speaks for itself.
Thank you, sir. Ayan, ang ganda ng photo op. Okay, kanina, our support through our publications, our sites, please. Number 1 po sa balota. You won't be able to miss it. Number 1 sa balota. Attorney Benner Abalos Jr. Ngayong Lunes na po yan. Parang show, ano? Sa Keith Ryan Monteverde, Senator Benner Abalos Jr., Boots Anson Rodrigo of Mawal Fund, CEO and President Rosel Monteverde, and Regal Entertainment Board Member Don Monteverde. Ayan po from left to right. Sige, you may take photos na. Masarap ka po sa Senator, kaya lang home stretch na ito, marami pa siyang pupuntahan. And of course, joining for another layout, Nico Antonio, PB Walker, Derek Percy,